When winter settles in, the weather across the United States becomes a mixed bag. Snow in one place, freezing rain in another, and in the southeast, the occasional ice storm that can knock out power for hours or even days. With all that winter chaos, it's natural to wonder, do solar panels actually work in the winter? The good news is yes, they absolutely do. And not only do they work, they often perform more efficiently in cold temperatures. But let's break down exactly how solar energy and battery storage can keep your home powered when the weather turns harsh. Solar panels are built tough. They're designed to handle extreme conditions: wind, ice, sleet, freezing temps, and even heavy snow, so winter weather itself doesn't stop them. What can slightly reduce production are things like shorter daylight hours, a lower sun angle, snow temporarily covering the panels. But even then, the impact is usually small. Why is this? Because solar panels are installed at an angle, allowing snow and debris to slide right off. And thanks to their dark surface, panels warm up quickly once the sun comes out, helping snow melt faster. So there you have it. Solar panels do work in the winter. If you live in the southeast region of the United States and you're interested in solar and battery solutions, then book a consultation with the LightWave team today.